Is your Christmas decor feeling a bit mad this year? Don't worry, we've all been there. But this year? Oh, we're going big, like Santa's workshop on a busy day big. So grab your hot cocoa and let's dive into 7 Christmas decoration ideas that are festive, fabulous, and, well, a little hilarious. Let's go. Trend number 1, the Maximalist Tree, because more is more. This year, no branch goes undecorated. Layer your tree with lights, ribbons, ornaments, and wait for it, mini stuffed animals. Yup, your childhood teddy just made the guest list. Bonus, it doubles as an impromptu game of Spot the Penguin for your guests. Trend number 2, string light magic. Look, we've all wrestled with string lights and lost. But this year, just drape them everywhere, around your windows, over your bookshelf, and even on yourself. Who says you can't be the star of the party? Trend number 3, the DIY centerpiece that actually looks good. Pro tip, skip the glitter explosions. Try a bowl of pine cones, fairy lights, and cinnamon sticks for a cozy vibe. And if you're feeling fancy, add cranberries. No one eats them, so might as well decorate with them. Trend number 4, bigger, bolder wreaths. Say goodbye to tiny, timid wreaths. This year, go bold. Add oversized bows, ornaments, and even a small sign that says Santa's watching. Trust me, it'll keep the package thieves away. Trend number 5, the mantle glow up. Forget the old stockings your dog chewed on last year. Match your stockings to your decor theme, whether it's classic red and gold or chic winter white. And don't forget to sprinkle some fake snow on the mantle for that. I live in a Hallmark movie look. Trend number 6, go big and stay inflated. Got a yard? Fill it with inflatable Santas, reindeer, and why not a 12-foot snowman? Bonus points if they light up. Just pray the wind doesn't turn your snowman into a neighborhood escape artist. Trend number 7, personal touches, the ultimate secret weapon. Frame old Christmas photos, write personalized messages on ornaments, or hang up those oddly cute popsicle stick crafts your kid made. Nothing says Merry Christmas like a tree that screams you. And there you have it, 7 Christmas decoration ideas to make your home the jolliest on the block. Which one are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. Oh, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, because nothing says holiday spirit like binge watching decor videos at 3 a.m.